camped one night, and now we're gonna climb Mount Marcy, the tallest mountain in New York State. So. Okay, we're almost there to Mount Marcy. Marcy, hard.
It's kicking our butts.
Yeah. Beautiful mountain view over there.
Everywhere.
Over there.
Everywhere.
Over here. Behind me.
Wow.
So,
And there's Daddy. Beautiful view of Daddy. Yeah.
and we're gonna start heading up to Mount Marcy. See you guys when we're up on Mount Marcy. Okay guys, we're almost to summit of Mount Marcy. So, but it's the final push.
Hopefully we make it.
Uh-huh.
We're gonna make it.
I'm gonna make it. See you guys up on the very, very top of Marcy.